Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use the start-stop system on your Audi A1 or S1 Sportback. The start-stop system can help to save food and reduce CO2 emissions. In start-stop mode, the engine is switched off automatically when the vehicle stops. For example, at traffic lights. The ignition remains on during the stop phase. The engine is automatically started on demand. And this is awesome because you have to get the oil pressure so fast. Wow, this rocks. The start and stop system is automatically activated each time you switched on the ignition. The basic conditions for the start-stop mode are: the driver's door must be closed, the driver's seat belt must be buckled, the bonnet must be closed, the vehicle must have been moving at over 4 km/h since the last stop. A trailer must not be hitched up to the vehicle. Never let the car coast with the engine switched off. You could lose control of the vehicle. This could result in an accident and cause serious injuries for you and other people. The brake servo and power steering only work when the engine is running. That means you need more strength to stop and steer the vehicle than they normally would. To avoid injuries, make sure that the start-stop system is switched off before walking in the engine compartment. Always switch off the start-stop system before driving through water. But you don't have to drive through water, so you can let it on. And there it is. You can see unstop the vehicle and the engine stops running immediately. And now we have to check and rest for a second, for a minute, for 20 seconds, for example. And then only you have to push the clutch pedal to get the engine on immediately. Or you can, in automatic transmission, you have to push the throttle, the steering, not the acceleration pedal, for example. Not for example, for fact. Here you can see I only pushed the clutch pedal and now the engine is working again. That means for manual gearbox, when the vehicle stops, put the gear lever in neutral and take your foot off the clutch pedal. The engine will switch off, like now. The indicator lamp, it is a circle with an A, will light up in the instrument cluster display. And the start-stop will appear in the driver's information system on the right side or in the center side. The engine will start again automatically when you press the clutch pedal. The indicator lamp will go out. And if you have an automatic gearbox, stop the vehicle and keep your foot on the brake. The engine will switch off. The indicator lamp, A with the circle, will light up in the instrument cluster display, and the start-stop will appear in the driver information system, like the manual transmission. The engine will start again automatically when you take your foot off the brake. The indicator lamp will go out and you can drive away. That is easy to use and it's nice to save fuel. The onboard control system can override the start-stop function for various reasons. That means you can use it. For example, the engine does not switch off. That means that your temperature is not risen enough, or you have not tightened your seat belts, or a door is open, for example, and other stuff. That means the engine will stop if the selector lever in automatic way is in position P, D, N, or S, or in electronic gate. If the selector lever is in position P, the engine will remain off even if you take your foot off the brake. The engine will not start again until you select another gear and take your foot off the brake. For automatic transmission, the engine will start again if you move the selector lever to R during a stop phase. If you do not want the engine to start, move the factor lever quickly from D through R to P. Then it's off, switched off. And you can switch on and off the automatic way, the start-stop automatic. In the front side, or near the center side, there is a button for it. If you push it on top, it is switched off. If you push it again, it will be switched on again. And that is easy to use. Only go, start your engine, drive a little bit until your engine is temperatured. And then stop your vehicle, go to neutral drive and release your clutch pedal. Engine off. And if you like to go away, drive forward, push the clutch pedal and the engine will start automatically. And this is nice and easy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon.